Good day, pilots. Today what I wanted to show you was how to add a custom waypoint or task to your Fly360 tactical flight computer. The question came up the other day and I thought it was a great question. What happens if you want to fly somewhere that is not in the database? I mean, we've included all the major cities, all the aerodomes and airports, but what happens if you want to fly over your friend's house? Or you want to go to some random lake or just some random destination? How do you go about adding that task to the computer itself? So there's one of two ways to do it. The first way is to use the actual Fly360 map. So you're going to load the device up. You're going to go click the menu button down here in the corner. You're going to go to Screen Views, and we're going to choose Pan On. What Pan On lets us do is actually move the map around. So we just simply drag. We can zoom in. We can zoom out. And then what we want to do is put these little crosshairs right here at the very center of the screen. When we get to where we want to go, so let's say we want to go to the beach right here, we're going to click the location marker button right here. And that is going to create a custom location in our waypoint database. It called this one MK052822. Then we'll click What's Here. We can now select this location and click Go To. Right, you'll see the line here for the task that we need to do. If we turn Pan off, we'll go back into the normal screen view, and we can see we have a task and a direction arrow to go over to that location. The second option for adding a task or a destination into the flight computer is by using a combination of a computer or a tablet or your phone and the flight computer itself. So what we're going to use here is good old Google Maps. We're going to search for our destination. In this case, I want to go to Paradise Lake. I'm going to change this to satellite view because that's what we as pilots are used to seeing. I'm going to zoom right in here. All right, we're going to click this area here. What's here? We're going to get these GPS coordinates down here. These right here are the coordinates that we need. So we're going to copy this here. Okay. The second thing we need to now do is we need to convert those coordinates. Google Maps has its own algorithm. It's not true GPS coordinates, so we need to convert those into something that the Fly360 will understand. So if you go back to Google again, and we're just going to type in GPS converter. And one of the first pages that show up is this Voltaire page right here. Okay, that's going to bring us to this wonderful little conversion page. We're going to enter the coordinates here, paste them. Okay, so once again, that is these coordinates, or this one, from the Google Maps page. You're going to put them in here, and you're going to click the Convert and Map button. What that's going to give us is an actual true GPS latitude and longitude. These are the coordinates that we need. Okay. So the second step that we're going to do is get out our flight computer. I'm hoping this will show up. Actually, let me open a window. It's a little more light here. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the flight computer. We're going to go to the menu button. We're going to go to configuration page 2, LK8000 setup, system setup. Page 21 is the one you want. You're probably going to, when you first go to this screen, it's going to bring up page 1, which is all your map and site information. We want page 21, waypoint page, okay? From here, you're going to click New, and we're going to give it a name. So here we're going to call it Paradise Space Lake. Okay. And we're going to put in the latitude and longitude coordinates. So, longitude, we want this longitude information that is highlighted in blue from our conversion page, we're going to put that into here. Okay, so it is 80 days, 39 minutes, and 539 seconds. That is our west longitude. Our north latitude is going to be 43 days, 29 minutes, and 881 seconds. Okay, we're going to make this a landable. You got a choice, turn port, airport, landable. Let's make it a landable. And then that's it. Close, close. It's going to ask if you want to save your changes to the waypoint file. Yes. Now, when we do our regular navigation type lookup, we'll click Menu, Navigation, Waypoints Lookup. I'm going to start typing in the waypoint here, Paradise. I love how when you start typing it, it removes all the other letters of things that are possible. Click OK. And if we scroll down here, we will see our Paradise Lake. Select and go to. And we now have the task to go to Paradise Lake. Okay.